Hi, I'm Nicholas Hintz. Since the 1800s, the Earth has slowly been warming up due to what is called global warming. Global warming is the increase in Earth's overall temperature due to the greenhouse effect, which is caused by carbon dioxide and many other pollutants. The causes of global warming are both natural and man-made. A natural cause is greenhouse gases. A greenhouse gas is a gas that traps heat in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases are produced naturally through the release of methane from the Arctic tundra and wetlands. There are many man-made causes of global warming. These contribute the most out of everything. The biggest of man-made problems is pollution. One form of pollution is the burning of fossil fuels. When fossil fuels are burned, carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, is released into the atmosphere. Another form of pollution is the mining of oil and coal. When mining, methane that is found naturally in the ground is released into the atmosphere. Population also has an effect on global warming. The more people there are means a need for more food. The more food there is means a need for more agriculture. Animals such as cows produce methane that is released into the atmosphere and contributes to global warming. More people would also mean more transportation. Most people use cars to get around. Cars release gases that contribute to global warming. More cars would mean more gases being released into the atmosphere. Lastly, more people means more carbon dioxide because we breathe it out. Trees and other plants turn carbon dioxide into oxygen. However, we are constantly cutting down trees, and some of them are not being replaced. Global warming has many effects on the environment. On Long Island, temperatures have risen 1.5 degrees since 1970. There has also been a reduction of snow cover, an earlier snowmelt, an earlier arrival of spring, an extension of the summer season, and increased risk of extreme heat on Long Island. Predictions say that if not stopped, the summer in the New York tri-state area will be like the summer in South Carolina now. And also, there will be 20 to 30 days with temperatures around 100 degrees instead of just 1 or 2. According to the EPA, the sea levels in New York have risen 10 inches over the last 100 years. The combination of rising sea levels and coastal storms could damage Long Island's coastlines and barrier beaches. It is predicted that beach erosion rates could double by the 2020s and be 4 to 10 times more by the 2080s. The combination of rising sea levels and beach erosion could destroy the sand dunes you see behind me, as well as the low-lying coastal communities behind them, and could shut down the transportation system. Lastly, there has been a 1 to 2 degree temperature change in seawater that has altered species, hurt lobster populations, and encouraged invasive species such as the sea squirt. There are many solutions to global warming. Some of them are as simple as turning off the lights when you're not in a room, using incandescent light bulbs, recycling, and walking short distances instead of taking the car. Using wind and solar energies, as well as other renewable resources, could lower carbon emissions and reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. The best solution for global warming, however, is planting trees. Trees turn carbon dioxide into oxygen, thus removing a greenhouse gas from the atmosphere. What happens with global warming is up to you. If you decide to do nothing about it, then the world could face many problems. But if you do decide to do something about it, the world could be a better place to live.